Hello, my name is Jenny Patricia Campos Vasquez. I am a student of 7th semester of Bachelor degree in Foreign Language with an emphasis on English. I live in Florencia. Today I presented the task 1 of the role of the material design. Introduction. This work was carried out the important role that materials and their design played in the teaching learning environment. The importance of the work lies in having clarity about fundamental aspects of material design and the qualities of the teachers who use and design them. The first question. What was the conception of materials development decades ago? For many decades, material development was simple. The accompanying production of a wide range of learning results to illustrate methods. The importance is less. Today, however, things have begun to change due to teach hours or to use. Very important. First, the enormous production for the used the teachers. Second, the importance of the including student voice in materials creations. The students are many important actors of the education of the classroom. Second, what does development materials demand from teachers? Let's six demand and explain them. Able to see a student as holistic, unique individuals. All people are individual in your mind, in your abilities. Second, willing to devote to teach with laughter. Very good humor and very friend of the students. Ready to innovate in their teaching practice. It's very important the application of the TIC in the class. Is a big kind of the innovation. Keen on minimizing difference and minimizing similarities among students. The teacher need including our students. All students are important in the classroom. Willing to take and make teaching decisions. Ready to learn. Not alone teach, but it's very important what the teacher ready to learn. The students also teach very important lessons. Less eager to single out what shall not have been done. The attitude of the teacher is the reflecting on the students. What are the components of creation and adapting didactic learning materials? First, needs assessment according to grades. Is this a continuous or evolving process that analyzes what a student now and can do and what they need to learn or do? Is effort or improving? Assessment needs assessment. 2. Setting goals and objectives. For hard clarity, when come. 3. Conceptualization of the content. Design of a study plan. Is the form or the of the count to goals and objectives. 4. Selection and development of materials and activities. It's very important of teachers have clarity in what the needs assessment for creation materials, for choose content, choose activities, and choose others materials, others didactic materials. See the needs of the students. The students are the actors, very important in the classroom or in the environment, learning and teaching. 5. Organization of content and activities. The organization. Before C. Selection and development. Now organization. 6. Evaluation. The evaluation is very important for analyzing the results for create improved plans. 7. Resources and limitation. Analyze vary the context of the application and adapting the material or adaptation materials. In your opinion, what is the principal role of the teacher when designing language learning materials? In my opinion, the most important points to create material are creativity, innovation, and diversity in the content. The design of material must be done in a general way without prejudice or discrimination. A foreign language teacher who wants to create material must fit be aware of the basic needs of the students that are generally to improve and strengthen the communicative skills of English that are listening, speaking, reading, and reading. The conclusions of the work with the analysis carried out about the creation and adaptation of the material, the following factors can be concluded: that the teacher who creates materials must be innovative, create, and must be willing to motivate and take advantage of the time of the use and realization of the same. Thank you.